Hi there, welcome back to Save with Crypto. I am aware I have got a few new subscribers, so if anybody else is coming here and liking what you see, then please do think about subscribing to this channel and putting the notifications on all. That'd be really appreciated. I think I do good, honest stuff here, and I think it's good for the crypto world. And if you want your bags to pump, then liking this video and subscribing is definitely a positive thing to do. Anyway, FTX I wasn't involved with, thank God, but this was obviously the exchange run by Sam Bankman-Fried and other criminals. And today, February the 18th, 2025, some of the money is going to be repaid to people who lost out. Unfortunately, you're getting your money back at the November 2022 rate. So I believe if you, for example, had Bitcoin, if you had like a Bitcoin in FTX, back in whenever, you'd be getting it back today at the price of something like, something like about 18,000, 19,000. Something like that. Not bad, but obviously not 95,000, is it? Now, the whole of the FTX website is now just a big claims portal, and if you are involved, you need to go through all these steps and do all the KYC and all that kind of thing. I was trying to find a more concise summary of what's going to happen today. I found this article here. This one's on onesafe.io. And it's saying here, FTX's 16 billion repayment plan. So the initial phase, the repayment train is leaving the station on February the 18th, 2025. The first phase is all about the little guys, making sure that those who suffered the most get their cash first. It's not just a payout, it's a blueprint for other financial technology startups looking to get into the crypto funding game. Okay. So who's getting it? That's the question. So I believe this is for people with less than $50,000, I think, initially. And I also read somewhere, I can't find it now, but I also read it's only for people in the Bahamas, but I don't think that's true, to be honest. But if you're getting money today from FTX, brilliant, well done. In my experience, when things like this go wrong, you end up with nothing, so be grateful for anything you do get back. Now the question is, what's everyone going to do with this money? Well, I think for a lot of people, they will consider themselves emotionally scarred by their crypto losses and they'll never touch crypto ever again. Or will they? Will they go back into crypto again? Hard to say, isn't it? So the article here says, with billions coming back into circulation, we might see some interesting shifts in cryptocurrency liquidity and trading volumes. Getting back these funds could boost confidence in receiving payments in crypto and engaging in crypto cross-border payments. But what happens when creditors start liquidating their assets? That could stir up some market chaos. Balancing trust and stability is going to be tricky. I totally agree, actually. I think the way the market's been going recently, it's been going like sideways for quite a while now, certainly the most of February, and just literally we're stuck in this range between like 90k and 104k. And looking here on the weekly time frame, you can see that we've had like 3 weekly candles in a row being red, and the current one is looking a bit red as well. Now, you don't often get 4 in a row without it going green afterwards. So the only time in recent history I can see that happening was from March 2022 down to May 2022, which was obviously when the bear market was kicking in fully, falling from the heights in November 2021. So I guess for this week, if we have a red weekly candle closing on Sunday night, that might be the end of the downturn. Alternatively, this candle here could start to turn green during this week. Either way, I think there is some upside on the horizon, either this week or towards the end of February. Now, zooming out to the 1 hour time frame, you can see here that we had this big liquidation candle here on the 3rd of February. And this was apparently the biggest liquidation in the history of crypto. So could the price come down there again? It's possible, isn't it? So the kind of thing I'd be looking at is a double bottom, something like that, with the price coming down to about 91.5k. So I'll be looking to long the price somewhere in this area here. That's assuming, of course, that we don't get the price turning around like very, very soon. Maybe on today's news about the FTX stuff. It's possible, isn't it? Anyway, I'm going to be trading this on Blofin, and Blofin do have this competition going on at the moment. You can join. It's free to join. It's from February the 8th, which is obviously gone now, until March the 6th is the registration period, and the competition has already started. Our team currently has 51 members. And at the moment, the only way Blofin report the performance is by trading volume. So it's not actually how well you're doing profit and loss wise. It's just trading volume at the moment. So you can see I'm there at number 5. And out of the 51 people in the team, there's only actually 7 people, including myself, who are actually trading. So the rest of you, what are you doing? If you're not in a trade yet, I'd probably be looking at some sort of, long positions down towards 90k, maybe ladder in a few positions. Not financial advice, of course, but just to get in the competition. The prizes for this competition are just ridiculous. It's like $5.6 million. So you'll see the details of this below this video. It will look like this, and it says there's $5.6 million up for grabs, and also I'll be giving away $175 of my own money to the top 3 in my team if we get 10 active traders. Okay, so there's only 7 at the moment, so please make that 10 if you can. The link to join is there. So it says there are volume-based and ROI-based prizes. First place team makes very big percentage from the prize pool. So team rewards distribution, the first team get 35% of that 5.6 million. Second team get 15%. And they go down. But look, the 6th to the 30th team get 1%. Now, we're actually at 131 at the moment with hardly anyone trading, so I'm pretty sure that we could get into the top 30. So we could get 1% of the 5.6 million, which is still pretty good, isn't it? And regardless of the team, there are individual rewards as well. So the 6th to the 50th trader, you get 0.5% of that 5.6 million anyway. So it's all pretty good, and it's good fun. If you want to discuss strategy and stuff, we've got the free Telegram group. Just go to saveofcrypto.org/TG. That is actually a Telegram announcement channel, but there's a pinned message at the top of that tells you how to get into the group where we can have discussions, and there are some good traders in there, and you get some really good ideas. I'll be in there as well. So if you like the sound of that, then please do join the competition at saveofcrypto.org/Blofin. I'd also massively appreciate it if you could like this video and make sure you are subscribed. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments down below, or just use the comment section just to say hi, or anything you like really. But do remember to give the video a big fat like, and above all, tell your friends.
Save with Crypto has to be one of the best YouTube channels that the United States has ever seen. Kamala Harris is not a subscriber, but I am. I have notifications set to all as well. I'd strongly suggest you subscribe to Save with Crypto today. Above all, you should tell your friends.
Save with Crypto is not a financial advisor. He just makes ice cream on the internet. If you cannot find someone to do your own research, you must do it yourself, just like I did not.